Who would have thought that a single letter could become someone's downfall? This is exactly what happened to Mary Queen of Scots. After Mary lost power in Scotland in 1568, she fled to England, hoping to receive help from her cousin, Queen Elizabeth I. Instead, Elizabeth detained her and kept her under confinement for nearly 19 years. Then something happened that would change Mary's life forever. A group of conspirators created a secret plan to assassinate Queen Elizabeth and place Mary on English throne. Messages between Mary and the leader of the plot, Anthony Babington, were secretly exchanged through coded letters. But there was one problem. Mary had no idea that Elizabeth's intelligence network was already aware of the situation. In fact, they secretly allowed the communication to continue because they wanted proof that Mary supported the conspiracy. Then on July 17, 1586, Mary sent a reply that appeared to support actions connected to the plot. For Elizabeth's government, that letter became the evidence they had been waiting for. Mary was later put on trial, found guilty of treason, and executed in 1587.